This short meditation can be done anytime you want to ease the tension in the face, which can directly contribute to headaches, jaw aches, and overall fatigue. So right here, right now, just bringing awareness into your face. How do the muscles in your face feel? And seeing if you can not answer that question in words so much as in direct experience. Just allowing your awareness to really feel into the face. And now, moving your awareness specifically up and into the forehead, and noticing what the tension of the muscles there feels like. And all along the brow bone. And just seeing if you can use this awareness to allow the muscles of the forehead to just soften, even if it's just a little bit. And noticing what that feels like. And now the muscles around the eyes and the eyelids. So many intricate muscles here, doing so many different jobs. Bringing awareness into the area of the eyes and the eyelids, and then seeing if you can again use this awareness to allow this area of the face to just release and relax. If your eyes have been closed, sometimes your eyes will open slightly when you do this, and it's fine to allow them to stay like this for the rest of the practice. And now seeing if you can connect your mind now with some of the other muscles around the eyes. Perhaps the ones right below the eyes, or in the area that reaches out toward the temples. And softening there. And paying careful attention to what this softening feels like. Mixing your mind with it. And the muscles of your cheeks. Just bringing your awareness there. And letting the cheeks grow slack, if you can. And the lips, and the muscles around the lips. Even bringing awareness to the line of contact between your upper and lower lip. And as the face begins to relax more deeply, perhaps noticing how your jaw wants to open a little. Perhaps even bringing your tongue just a little bit forward in your mouth to really allow the jaw to release, or whatever works for you. Just really encouraging a sense of softening and opening around the lips, the mouth, and the jaw. Perhaps even bringing awareness to that sensitive space where the jawbone angles up toward the ears. And softening there. And from there now, expanding your awareness to again include your entire face. And letting all the muscles of the face together as one just soften, almost like the melting of the butter in a warm pan. Feeling the breath moving in and out the nostrils. Letting the only tension in your face now be in those tiny muscles on the outermost corners of your lips as you smile slightly. Noticing what this feels like.